Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're had this Arctic freeze come through East Texas here. We got the most snow we've ever seen. Tankers. He's got a barn and everything, but he won't stay in there. He'd rather come out of the barn. But you can see the homestead this morning. Oh. It's a winter wonderland. You step down, you see my foot. Good 6 to 8 inches. Our little bottle baby Brisket here, he has a heat lamp and here to help keep him warm. This is a twice a day thing. You can see all the cows, they don't seem to mind the snow, even though they got places to get out of it. The boys. Guys, you can see my setup. This is for my seed starting. I don't have any seed started yet because of this Arctic freeze here in East Texas. But that's my setup. And the link, down at the bottom, I'll have the link for all the stuff that I purchased. For the grow lights and the seed starting tray, and there's heat mats underneath every one of those trays. This is down in my shop. I don't have room for it in the house. That's one of the reasons I'm not starting yet, because it's cold. And I have the heater in the house that I was going to put down here just in case something happens. I can crank up the generator and run the heater in the house right now. So I don't have the heater down here. But I don't have power in my shop. I just got a heavy duty 12 gauge extension cord, well, 3 of them, running from the house to here to power this up. But this is my setup. Like I said, each one of those seed trays has a heating mat underneath it, and the heating mat's connected to a different surge protector right there, and the lights are hooked to a different one. I have a light right here that I bought at Harbor Freight to help light up the shop at nighttime, so I'm not relying on a flashlight. But this is my setup. This is where I'm going to start growing my seeds for my garden. It'll probably be next weekend. Like today is Monday, February 15th. And it's just too cold to start my seeds. But we will soon. Hopefully next weekend. I'm definitely doing a video of that. But y'all can see the winter wonderland. It's, like I said, the seed starting area. Turn the lights off for now because I don't need them on. This is my hay storage for now. You can see McDuff and Macy, they got snow on their back. But the girls area, or everybody sleeps in here right now, I'm gonna come back today and put some more shavings in here. But this is 2 bales of shavings. They have a heat lamp. I have another one on the way. I was gonna put like 2 or 3 more. I'm gonna put at least 2 more heat lamps in here for the girls. and stuff. But you see them, they're all doing good. Adelita right there, she's due the end of March. She's getting big. Oh, Pinkalicious right there due June 27th. Tilly's due June 20th. If they're bred like they're supposed to. After Valentine's Day, or I've got a guy coming out that's going to do an ultrasound on them for me. And everything goes right. There's Nilly. Nilly is due on April 18th. And I'm pretty sure Dolly is pregnant. I just threw out some more hay for them. Then I'll Rip and Smokey. But everybody's doing good. Everybody's staying warm. I walled off that door the other day when I knew the weather was coming bad to help keep the wind down. But they're all doing good. Old Tank. Watch out, McDuff. Old Wonderland. Y'all can see the extension cord. You can see the extension cord run into the stall. You can't see it here, but it's ran all along the way. But you can see those boards. It's good anywhere between 4 to 6 inches of snow on them. And then we're supposed to get the same stuff on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. You can see Tank. Tank gets out. I don't know why. But he jumps out in between the hole in the gates. And he runs around. Which I don't mind it. He helps protect it. Y'all, I appreciate y'all watching my channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do. And go ahead and hit that like button. And comment to help all that YouTube analytics. Like I always say, Bonded Oak-Acres out.